Microsoft have partnered to introduce Llama 2, a large language model announced by Mark Zuckerberg, CEO of Meta. What is a large language model, or in short, LLM? It is defined as a trained deep learning model that understands and generates text in a human-like fashion. These general-purpose models are capable of performing a wide variety of tasks from sentimental analysis to mathematical reasoning. History of LLM dates back to 1960s. The first ever chatbot, Eliza, was created in 1967 by MIT researcher Joseph Weizenbaum. Eliza was a simple program that used pattern recognition to simulate human conversation by turning the user's input into a question and generating a response based on the set of predefined rules. Over the years, several significant innovations have propelled the field of LLMs forward. One such innovation was the introduction of long short-term memory (LSTM) networks in 1997, which allowed for the creation of deeper and more complex neural networks capable of handling more significant amounts of data. In 2011, Google launched Google Brain. It paved the way for massive advancements in the field, such as introduction of transformer models in 2017. It led to the creation of larger and more sophisticated LLMs such as OpenAI's GPT-3 generative pre-trained transformer, which served as the foundation for ChatGPT and a legion of other incredible AI-driven applications. In recent years, advancement in the field has contributed to the creation of more sophisticated LLMs such as Hugging Face, Bard, etc. Now, with the launch of Llama 2 in 2023, competition in the field has increased. Let us look into some examples of LLMs. Google's Palm, Lambda, OpenAI's GPT series, Meta's Llama are some examples. Some applications of LLMs are text summarization and text generation. For example, we can create an essay within few seconds. Sentiment analysis, in which one can provide a variety of actionable insights, for example, public attitudes and opinions towards an emerging technology that could impact the speed of its adoption. Example, driverless cars. Another one is content creation. One revolutionary application is the creation of chatbots, virtual assistants and conversational AIs, example ChatGPT, Bard, etc. Named entity recognition, speech recognition and synthesis are some other applications. Now we can use voice in search engines, for example Apple Siri. Another one is image annotation. For example, we can extract a text from an image. LLM has many more applications. Text-to-speech synthesis. Application Wait is an example for that. Spell correction. Example is spell check, Grammarly. Machine translation. Recommendation systems. Examples are the recommendation systems used by Amazon, Netflix and Spotify. Fraud detection. Code generation. Example, snipping tool. Now we can go deep into Llama 2. It is an open source large language model which is available for research and commercial use for free, and a successor of Llama, which was launched in February 2023. It is developed by the company Meta and launched in partnership with Microsoft on 19th July 2023. It competes with OpenAI's GPT-4, which is widely used now. The company has launched pre-trained and fine-tuned models with 7B, 13B and 70B parameters. Large language models are first pre-trained so that they learn basic language tasks and functions. Pre-training is the step that requires massive computational power and cutting-edge hardware. Once the model is pre-trained, it can be trained with task-specific new data to fine-tune it for specific use cases. The fine-tuning method has high computational efficiency since it requires less data and power, making it a cheaper method. The company has carried out some extensive safety evaluations and has deployed techniques such as context distillation and reinforcement learning from human feedback (RLHF). The context distillation is a method to internalize information from abstract instructions, while RLHF is a technique that trains a reward model based on human feedback. It is available via cloud computing platforms such as Microsoft's Azure platform, AWS, Hugging Face. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is the delivery of computing services including servers, storage, databases, networking, software, analytics, and intelligence over the internet. The cloud to foster innovation, flexible resources, and economies of scale. One such provider is called as cloud computing platform. Some examples are AWS, Amazon Web Service, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform, Alibaba Cloud, and Oracle Cloud. Which are the benefits of LLM? It reduces manual labor and cost. It can be used to automate many processes such as sentimental analysis, customer service, content creation, etc. Enhance availability, personalization, and customer satisfaction. It also saves time and increase accuracy in tasks. What are the limitations of LLM? Language models' capabilities are limited to the textual training data they train with, which means they are limited in their knowledge of the world. These are also instances where models can present false information. Privacy is another cause of concern. Large datasets may contain sensitive information that can be used to identify individuals or groups, and currently, there are very few regulatory frameworks to ensure that this information is handled ethically. LLMs require vast amounts of computational power to train, which can have a significant impact on energy consumption and carbon emissions. The development of LLM is a rapidly evolving field, so it is difficult to predict exactly where this technology will lead us, but it has a potential to revolutionize the way we communicate. Thank you.